So what does this mean? This definition of me is the definition of my character and the definition of my personality. All of our psychological difficulties come because of the character that we have imbibed or taken or grown into, the educations that we've had and the experiences that we've had. Work with a limited set of words. Don't go into paragraphs and pages. Yeah, then the therapist is lost in the loop. भाषा बगैर मेरा अस्तित्व ही नहीं. Without language, I don't exist. We think we live in this world. Actually, we live in language. There is no other way in which we have a definition of ourselves. So, it's a collection of a lot of point of views. And these point of views, when you keep playing 1,000 times, it becomes a belief. My pain, no matter what it is, the universe has no degree. There is nothing called as more or less. There is just is. Don't leave a drop jewel. Make it large.